Hey, so I'm Justin Dyson, Executive Director of Facilities for Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools in North Carolina. We are at approximately 54,000 students and we manage approximately 9 million square feet of property. So data and reporting is one of the really awesome features about FMX. You don't have to be an Excel spreadsheet guru. Any of my team can simply go to that report, PDF it, stick it into a slide, and present that to a board. My director of maintenance and director of custodial and some of those individuals are able to drill down into data and be able to drill down to an individual technician and how they're sizing up to their peers. How is one building sizing up to another building, maybe of similar vintage. It just makes that data gathering aspect really easy and at your fingertips, and again, without having to be an expert. FMX is really good to help us identify inefficiencies and efficiencies. I'm always driving our staff to analyze what if our PM programs are effective. If we're not finding issues and we're not extending useful life of equipment, then why are we doing a preventative maintenance work? We have a goal to always focus on the stakeholders, our students first and foremost, and the staff that are occupying our buildings. But if we're generating reports and seeing that our response time's falling, 7 to 8 days out before we're even responding to a work order, we have a massive issue. We like to use the dashboards and such to just quickly grab that data on a weekly, on a monthly basis, and then looking at that over an entire fiscal year or calendar year to be able to determine, are we improving our responsiveness or are we degrading? When I began working in the district I work in now, I came from a small district and went to a large urban district, and it was like culture shock for me. I was like, what do I do with all of these technicians and all of these resources? How do I possibly put all that together and make decisions? And the answer comes back to data. And we can just see how a program is operating, see if our PM programs are effective, see if if assets are prematurely failing, or if our response rate is low but our efficiency is high. That data is paramount. Data-driven decisions are where it's all at, and having that at your fingertips is so important.